Do you snore when you sleep? Are you keeping your family up all night? There is no need to suffer with snoring anymore. There is a cure. If you really want to stop snoring, keep watching this video and get the answers you have been looking for. Here is our ebook, Natural Ways to Stop Snoring and Start Sleeping. You can stop snoring by making simple changes. With no drugs to take, nothing to stick to your face, no mask to put on, just a good night's sleep. There is a natural alternative to stop snoring. So what are you waiting for? This is a limited time offer. It's time to stop snoring and sleep better. Click on the link below and get started today.